As we speak, an estimated 100,000 North Korean citizens labor in modern-day gulags. Those who dare raise their voices in dissent are imprisoned, tortured, and even murdered. Their children and grandchildren routinely punished for their family's sins against the state. Let the world know, from here at Yokota Air Base and beyond, we are ready for any eventuality. The United States of America will always seek peace. We will ever strive for a better future. But you, the instruments of American power, know. And let our adversaries know. All options are on the table. And the American Armed Forces and self-defense forces of Japan will be ready to defend our people and our way of life.